Leukocytes, white blood cells. This image is representing neutrophils. Neutrophils are elevated in bacterial infections. That's neutrophilia. This image is showing parasitic worms. When you have parasitic infection, we have an increase in eosinophils. That's called eosinophilia. We'll also see an increase in eosinophils in certain diseases of the central nervous system, collagen diseases, and of the spleen. This is showing a dilated blood vessel. Basophils will secrete histamine, which causes vasodilation. Basophils also secrete heparin, which is an anticoagulant, and we'll see basophilia, which is the increase in basophils, and diseases such as chickenpox, diabetes, and sinusitis. This is showing a viral cell, and this makes me think of our lymphocytes. T lymphocytes attack virally infected cells. T lymphocytes will also attack cancer cells. Now, B lymphocytes, B is in biology, will produce antibodies. This image is showing monocyte, representing a monocyte. Monocytes will wander the bloodstream. They will engulf cells. They respond to warning signs and present the antigens. When they move into tissues, they transform into macrophages. Macrophages phagocytize or phagocytize, phage is to eat, disease-causing organisms, pathogens, and these are increased in inflammation and autoimmune diseases. Let's take a look at the notes. Neutrophils, antibacterial, phagocytize bacteria, neutrophilia is the increase. Eosinophils, antiparasitic, eosinophilia is the increase. They do increase with allergies and certain diseases, central nervous system, collagen, and the spleen. With allergies, I focus on basophils. That is a major increase with allergies. Basophils, we have basophilia. They secrete histamine, the vasodilator, heparin's an anticoagulant, and we'll see them in certain diseases such as chickenpox, diabetes, and sinusitis. Lymphocytes, T lymphocytes attack cancer cells. T lymphocytes destroy virally infected cells. Just think T attack with the T, whereas B antibody, B lymphocytes secrete antibodies. Monocytes in the blood, they will engulf cells and present their antigens. We're looking in the notes at what happens when they go into tissues. They transform into macrophages. They phagocytize pathogens. Remember, phage is to eat. Eating those, they're increased in inflammation, also in autoimmune diseases and in viral infections. Let's try it without the notes. Neutrophils, neutrophilia, increased in bacterial infections. These are parasitic worms. Eosinophils, eosinophilia, increase in parasitic infections, also in diseases of the central nervous system, the collagenous diseases, and in the spleen. Basophils, increased in allergies. They secrete the vasodilator, histamine. They also secrete heparin, an anticoagulant, increased in chickenpox, diabetes, and sinusitis. This is the viral cell. You should think lymphocytes. T lymphocytes will attack virally infected cells. They will also attack cancer cells. B lymphocytes, B is in biology, B lymphocytes produce antibodies. This is a monocyte representing a monocyte that we'll find in the blood, and it will engulf cells and present their antigens. They increase in warning signs and during inflammation. They move into tissues, become macrophages. Macrophages also phagocytize, phage is to eat, pathogens, disease-causing organisms, and break them down. And they're increased in inflammation and in viral infections. Thank you for joining me today.